So how long do injury cases take? Usually it depends on a couple things. First of all, how severe are your injuries? Because the treatment plan is usually the longest part, right? You got to go to the doctor, and it just takes time to go to the doctor. That's not something that you can rush, right? And if your injuries are fairly minor, you might only go to the doctor for a couple months, right? You might start with chiropractic care, conservative care, as they call it. Maybe you'll go into epidurals or injections if it's necessary after that, and then maybe that might be it, right? That could be a couple months. Versus if you're someone that needs to get surgeries, right? You have a torn rotator cuff, you have a torn meniscus. You need to maybe get a fusion on top of that. I mean, that's a lot of surgeries. You're going to have to spread that out. It's not something that is going to be quick. Also, if you have to file a lawsuit, I mean, that's going to add time on top of it, right? Sometimes it's necessary, right? If you get lowballed, you got to sue them. So it's a balance, but anywhere between, for a small case, it could be a couple months all the way up to years, right? And ultimately, as the client, you get to talk to your attorney and you get to ride that ship as long as you want. If you want to, hey, Alex, I want to be done. I want to settle this thing fast. I'll get on the phone and get it done. Or if you say, hey, let's ride this out and get every dollar possible, it's going to take longer, but it's usually worth it.